I'm a physicist, lyricist, spitting this ridiculousness, so witness the ignorance I dismiss. Perfect. Newton's laws of motion is the topic of the course, because things in motion stay in motion unless they hit an unbalanced force. Well, next up's the second law of situation and summation. Force equals mass times acceleration. That's the second law, Newton foresaw. So if you want more, then the third law is in store. My name is Christopher Emdin. I'm a science educator. You know, we spit bars, we spit lyrics, but we also drop science and drop science facts, and then bring that to young people. You know, if somebody were to take hip hop away from me tomorrow, I couldn't breathe. Hip hop is everything, man. I mean, hip hop is pedagogy in motion. You go to any rap concert, you know, the way the person who's on that stage has a command over that audience is almost the exact same way that you want a teacher to be able to sort of hold the students in their hand and make them learn. The call and response, the frenetic energy that builds up to this crescendo, you know, the aha moments, all those things are what you want to see happening in the classroom. So hip hop gives us the perfect pedagogical model. Youth are always in search of something to sort of strike them in a way that makes them see that there are new possibilities for life. You know, I work with kids who are from very, very low socioeconomic status, high incarceration rate communities, and so they're just looking for an outlet. And they're looking for something to dream about, something to look forward to. So if a teacher can show that the content that they're teaching is a path towards a different possibility for their future, they tune right in. We're teaching kids to be able to remember what they learned. They're putting it on paper to rhyme. They're trying to make connections where connections didn't exist before. They're developing a curiosity for the subject matter. And then they're learning that the only assessment for knowledge is not just some stupid test. We have to write everything down, but you have to go out there and present the information. Just like scientists go out today and present their information to their colleagues and peers when they're at conferences.
The thing about water is that it changes like a person from the color to the taste, but the water's never perfect. Seeping through the layers like you're moving through a crowded train. Hard to find the purity of water in the acid rain.
Teaching essentially is about, you know, meeting the person who you want to share information with on their own cultural turf. You know, where is that they're embedded? What are the examples that mean something to them? And the educator has to be able to enter the learner's mind and be aware of how they view the world.